Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Been out for a paddle with the boys. This is John's Sea Eagle EZLite10. I'm going to chuck it in the water, you know, place it gently obviously, and I'm going to try and do a re-entry. I'm going to see what it's like to get in and out of if you happen to be in the water. Talking of getting out of the water, alright old man, you hear the groan, old man groan, he's out, he's out! Right, let's get this done.
And here we have Carl with my boat again.
Are you not putting a seat in it?
Yeah, it just keeps it drier.
And now I'm going to make a mess.
He has volunteered to clean it afterwards, which is nice of him.
I don't think I did.
I think it was part of the agreement.
Did I sign an agreement?
Get yourself out into the middle and see if you can treat it as a supboard.
Right, let's get in. Oh, this is going to be cold.
That's why I'm not doing it.
Oh, it's cold.
There goes the Michelin man. How much air is on your suit?
It does flip a lot more.
Is it?
Than some of the others. Yeah, that's doable. That's not too bad at all. I want another go.
Can you stand up in it now?
That's with a lot of my weight over the side. How much of the boat's out of the water?
About half the base.
Yeah.
You can see the skeg mount anyway.
It's not too bad. It's not as cold as I thought it was going to be, to be honest. Well, at least that is quite easily doable.
Yeah.
Dry suit tested again. Yeah, quite easily doable. So that's the Sea Eagle EZLite10. Relatively easy to get back in if you happen to flip it. We've taken the seat out and everything because it's all John's stuff and didn't want to send him home with a wet seat. So thanks to us, John.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to his channel, Rough Paddling. Thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio! Yeah, that's doable. That's not too bad at all.